piggybacking on that principle 6 of our guidelines is this graphic. And it just showcases the importance of active learning and engagement when it comes to remembering vocabulary. So this is a little study that's been done from Edgar Dale, and it shows that after 2 weeks of learning something, we remember 10% of what we read, 20% of what we hear, 30% of what we see, 50% of what we see and hear, 70% of what we say, and 90% of what we say and do. Now that's pretty crazy. And that's the one reason that I worry about this online learning that we have right now that you're participating in. There is a good chance that if I don't get you active in what we're doing, you're not going to remember it down the road. And that's a problem. And that's my big challenge, I guess, to making you be active within our presentations. I want to get us down there doing the say and do, if possible. And so when we look at the top of our triangular tiers, we see that all the way down, except for the last two, we have passive activities where the child is either listening or they're seeing, but they're reading it. They're just sitting there. It's not until they take charge and they participate, or they work with a partner, or they take what they've learned and do something with it, that they actually will remember that word and just remember what they're learning. And so we really need to apply this when it comes to vocabulary, because some of this learning can be so abstract. So take that into account as we move into our vocabulary activities, and you'll see that these are engaging activities that hopefully will get them down on those last two tiers.